Hopefully you are having a great day. This is Edgar, Super Edgar 10, and today you are going to learn how to work this hold button on your new Toyota. It doesn't matter if it's a Camry, RAV4, Corolla hatchback, all new Toyotas that have this hold button, you need to know how to use this. So we're gonna do this in English first and then in Spanish. En español también para los que quieran aprender cómo usar ese botón. Alright, let's get started. Alright, first of all, why the heck is that button exist? Why is it there? Well, that's for people like me that do not like to press the brake for like 4 or 5 minutes when the when the train is passing by, and you gotta stare at those railroads just like that's when you press the hold button. That way the hold button will press the brake and you won't press anything, so your feet can take a break. Así que, ¿por qué existe este botón de hold? Es para las personas que no quieren apretarle el freno cuando tienes que frenar por mucho tiempo. Solo le aprietas el botón y el carro se para solo sin que le pongas en park ni nada. Alright, so now your car is on right now. As you can see, the doors opened. When you press the hold button now, it says brake hold unavailable. The driver door is open. So you have to make sure that not only your door's closed, but also that your seatbelt is on. Because let me show you what happens when you don't have a seatbelt. It's gonna say no. Unavailable. Driver seatbelt unlocked. Unbuckled, I mean. Así que tienes que asegurarte que no solo la puerta esté cerrada, sino que también tengas el cinturón de seguridad puesto para que funcione. So if you don't have the seatbelt, it's not gonna work. So now that we have the seatbelt on and everything, let's do what the hold button does now. See? On, off. You can see it right there. So now, how do you work it? First of all, when you're going somewhere, right? Let's say we're going, we're going on drive. Boom, we keep going, and now there's a red light. But you don't want to put it in park. Así que ya estás en la luz roja y no lo quieres poner en park. That's when you hold this. You press it once. So you press once, and that means that it's holding the brake for you. Así que lo aprietas una vez y ahí te van a salir estos dos, y eso significa que ya está agarrando el freno, even though it's in drive. Alright, so now the question is, how do I take it off? Alright, so now when the light is green, imagine a green light right here. Green light. You can't just turn it off and go. No. See, it says press brake switch to deactivate. So to take it off, if you're straight on the green light, you're not gonna do that. You're not gonna press the brake and then you're gonna turn it off and then you're gonna press the accelerator. Heck no. That was gonna take too long. You're gonna get someone hit you from behind. So the way to take it off is just pretty much once the brake hold is there and the green light is on, then you just press the accelerator here. Press the accelerator and this thing is just gonna go. And once it goes, then you press the button there so you can take it off. Okay? La manera de sacar esto no es ponerlo al freno y apretar el botón, sino que solo aceleras. Ya cuando estés acelerando, le aprietas el botón y ya se quita. Okay? Así se quita. That's how you take off the hold button the easy way, the best way to avoid any accidents. It's really complicated at first for many people, and it was for me too, but after a while, maybe like 10 minutes messing with it, then it's all good. Simple, and this is how to use the hold button on your new Toyota. Hopefully you learned how to use the hold button, alright? Así que ojalá que hayas aprendido a usar el botón ese para frenar. If you want to see more videos like this, if you have any more ideas like Puffer gave me this idea, let me know. Super Edgar 10 to the rescue.